Hey, what's up? This is Illustrator and welcome to another very exciting tutorial. Today I want to show you how to create a 3D cinematic title by Element 3D plugins. Let's start. First, go to Where, go to After Effects, create a new composition. So right here, your title name and select HD, set the duration 5 seconds, click OK. Fit your screen and then press Ctrl plus I on keyboard to import your logo. So put logo to composition screen, press S for the scale down the size. Avengers. Turn on the transparency if you need to mask this logo in one click without using pen tool. Take a look. If I need to create the mask of this Avengers logo, first create a new solid, Ctrl plus Y, create a new solid, and right there, logo, press enter, turn off the solid, press comma down of the escape key, zoom in, one click, second, third, third. So, but this technique is old, it means classic. Don't use this technique. Press comma, so press M, delete mask, delete the solid. Select your layer and go to layer, auto trace. Click on auto trace, click OK. So delete your original image by pressing delete key on keyboard. Create another new solid right there, element 3D, enter. No matter which color you want to set for your solid, just go to effect, go to video copilot, select element 3D. After load, click on scene setup. Before going to scene setup, go to custom layers and go to custom text and mask. Set path layer 1 auto trace Avengers. And now click to scene setup. After scene setup, click on extrude. Just direction click here and zoom out. This is the Avengers of Marvels. So now go to presets, bevel, physics. There you have a lot of bevels. Presets. Select the scale, change the z-axis scale. Little bit more perspective, long. So if you need to change the materials of this title, expand the extrusion model, and there you have three different layers. Select the shiny, go to materials, select the physical, apply what? Chrome. Apply there, chrome. If you need to apply golden, apply the golden and go to environment, change the environment, image. So if you need to apply motion design materials, choose from here. Let's check out this. Apply Avengers, not bad. So let's select one of these. Let's apply this one, replace to golden, or let's change the front material to another different material. What about this one? Okay, good. Let's change the lights to 360 and click OK. Turn off the transparency. Okay, and next, how to connect Adobe Illustrator with Adobe After Effects to move your mask from Illustrator to After Effects to create 3D logo, 3D titles, 3D elements, 3D models. How to do this? First, create another composition right here, test, enter, and create a new solid right there, mask, enter, and apply what? Element 3D plugin. So I need one more solid right here. What mask, enter. And now time to going to Illustrator. So go to file, place, select Marvel logo and set there, embed, just in one click, image trace. Okay, and click expand to convert from raster to vector, and right click here, ungroup, select lasso tools, select the white color, delete. And now you can select just the logo, A with the circle, press Ctrl plus C, copy, and go to After Effects, press Ctrl plus V to paste. Press S, scale up the size and select your mask and go to Custom Layers, Text and Mask, select, let's change this one to Element 3D and select Mask. Click on Scene Setup. Just in one click you can create this to 3D model. Take a look, create, and go to presets, select the bevels and select your favorite bevel presets. Click OK. Turn off the 2D and right click, create a new camera 24mm, and then select again your element 3D, go to group 1, particle look, change the particle size, orbit your camera to see or check out. Okay, let's go back to titles and let's create a new camera 24. Okay, select the auto trace layer, turn off, select the element 3D and change the size. Let's go to close this custom layers, expand the render setting and go to lighting, change to 360. Okay, and now let's make animation to create cinematic titles intro. First, go to multi-object, turn on the enable multi-object by clicking there. You can rotate the titles like this. So, and now go to particle replicator. You can move the titles close to the camera. Little bit move to right side and need more closer. Hold Ctrl on keyboard to control slowly, and now the stopwatch, these options with Z-axis, and go to Y rotation, go to second 2. First, change Y rotation to 0 and go to Z position, change to 0 and change to 645 minus 1, change to 100. Good. And now press U button for the keyframes, select all of them and right click, easy ease. Let's play, let's test. Press space, not bad. Select all of them and right click, create another easy ease. You can control the keyframes by clicking graph editor and select, control by clicking these intro and outro easies. So let's play again. Not bad. Let's select all of them and make in 3 seconds complete duration. So let's turn on the motion blur for the best quality of motion graphics. Go to render setting, go to motion blur, turn on the motion blur. Let's play now. Find the rotation. This is the rotation. Let's find the X and Y axis. Play now. Not bad. Okay, let's create lens flare. Create a new another solid. Right here, OF, and go to Effects, Video Copilot, Optical Flares, then change mode to Add, and click on the options, select different hot lenses. Select this one and click OK. Sit there, zoom in, and now change to 0. So after 3 seconds, stopwatch and stopwatch, the position and centers. Go to 15 frames, move it there, make a little bit brighter, and go to more 15 frames. It means in 4 seconds, move there and change 0. Let's play now. Dun, dun, dun. Avengers. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about how to create the cinematic title Avengers logo. Have a good time, good luck, all of you.